I think it's fantastic. The effort was great. The future looks very interesting, and the consciousness, the whole efforts by everybody. All the speakers were amazing. All the panelists were so good, and I think I have lots to take away from this show.
This is a platform which will make people a lot aware about what are the possibilities that wood can bring into, because wood has primarily been always seen as door, window and furniture kind of a material, but now slowly and steadily globally it has been becoming more of a structural material as well, and that education or that information has started seeping into the Indian culture or the Indian design fraternity with this kind of talks and conversations and awareness programs. I think that really helps us a lot.
I was very pleased to have been invited to participate and speak at the Wood Plus Architecture and Design Conference that took place yesterday here at INDIAWOOD, which was really well organised, very well attended, and I think it's tremendously important to speak about the opportunities that exist for wood, for all timber products in architecture and design.
When you come here, you always see new material, and there's a sense of innovation in this particular exhibition. And you have people from all across the countries, you see new materials, you see it's constantly changing, and that's what you really wish to see in exhibitions. And as far as this seminar is concerned, I'm extremely happy to be a part of it.